So, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Mr. Joseph Cohen. I am the reporter of Lesson 4. My topic is about the Broadening Teaching Perspective Teacher Exchange Program. So, broadening Teaching Perspective Teacher Exchange Program, so sila mga teachers na gusto mag-work abroad para mahimong global teacher. Pero para mahimong global teacher, atong i-discuss later. To become a global teacher, you need to grow in your teaching perspective, expanding your experiences beyond the confines of your classroom to the widely learning environment in the world is one of the many avenues in order to achieve a level of global competitiveness. So, as I said kanina sa tuwang intro, teaching perspective para maging global teacher. Para maging global teacher, kinahanglan teaching perspective, siyempre ang mga responsible as a teacher, ang mga learning, ang mga knowledge, or ang imong teaching methods para sa mga estudyante. Next. So next, we have Visiting International Faculty Program. The Visiting International Faculty Program, or VIF, is the United States' largest cultural exchange program for the teachers in school. It is dedicated to transforming lives through international exchange of teachers. VIF offers highly qualified teachers from around the world, serving as teachers of cultural ambassador in the United States. So, kanihang VIF or Visiting International Faculty Program, muna sila mga nag-hire o mga teachers sa gawas nasod, like mga United States or sa mga laing lugar. Pero dili sila basta-basta mo hire a teacher basta dili. Kanang qualified na teacher dapat kung wato ka sila nasod, daghang nag-learning yung balaan, successful ka nga pagka-teacher, or dapat kabalunan yung sa tanang teaching methods. Kay ang ibang tuluan sa United States is mga advanced technology ng mga students. Kumbaga, mas bright pa sila kaysa sa uban ng mga teacher. Next. So the program believes in the following principles. All schools should have at least one international exchange teacher. So, all students should be exposed. All students should have an international exchange teacher. Different teachers bring unique teaching styles, background, and perspective to the classroom. Exposing students to a variety of teachers can be broaden their understanding of different cultures, teaching methods, and approaches to learning. Para dagan sila maniwalaan na teaching methods, especially para naman sila representative kita sa teacher sila nila school. So next is all students should be exposed to a variety of exchange teachers during their academic careers. So, students should be exchange teachers often come from different countries or regions, providing students with opportunities to learn about different cultures, languages, and traditions. This exposure fosters cultural awareness and appreciation for diversity. So next is, all communities should have an equal opportunity to develop globally literate citizens to help build a foundation for success in the global marketplace. So next. Next, we have Fulbright Teacher Exchange Programs. Since 1946, the Fulbright Teacher Exchange Program has helped nearly 23,000 teachers and school administrators to promote mutual understanding between the United States and countries around the world. For the US teachers, this opportunity involves a year or semester direct exchange with a counterpart in another country teaching the same subjects at the same level. So, bali siya nga program, Fulbright Teaching Exchange Program. Muna sila muna sila ang mga program na nag-focus sa opportunity gikan sa primary to secondary school teachers para mag-ili sa positions
within counterparts from another countries for a semester or academic year. Throughout this program, teachers have the opportunity to immerse themselves in different education system, culture, and community, gaining valuable insights.
So next topic. So next we have an inter-African teacher exchange. So the objectives of this program are to provide opportunity for African teachers to learn from the teaching environment in other African countries, and also and to extend experiences in the horizon of African teachers by encouraging exchange to countries outside to Africa as well. Furthermore, the program was envisioned to create a cultural awareness and tolerance of the developments in different African education environments.
So, can I ask a question, Mr. Blanco? What is your understanding about inter-African exchange teacher? Your short understanding lang po. So, okay.
So for me, inter-African teacher exchange is muna silang mga teachers sa gawas nga
Pwede po sila mag-exchange of teachers pala na sila makapuli dito or na mahibalaan o lain knowledge ang mga students dito sa mga taga-Africa. And especially, dili lang po sa mga lain-laing nasod, kundi pwede po ang mga teachers sa taga-dire sa Pilipinas, pwede po sila dito mag-teach.
so next. So this station at one school for 1 week, in another school for another week. So sa Africa, so lain-lain ang pamahagi sa ilang teaching. Pwede silang mag-teach o isang kasimana next week, pwede lang mag-delay. So second is observe teaching in the said teacher subject.
So, ang mga bata dito sa Africa is kinailan pa nila obserbahan ng teacher ay sila mo teach.
Then number 3 is teach using ICTs at the school that the teacher is visiting.
So, dili lang kayo dito sa Pilipinas, dili lang makikita ang tulungan ng mga computer. Also, dito mo po sila kung may mabot ng mga lain-lain teacher.
So number 4 is engage in discussions with teachers in another school. And number 5, write a journal of their exchanging visit.
So, kada visit sa lain-lain nasod sa taga-Africa, magsulat sila og mga knowledge sa ilang mga tuluan. So, mo to akong knowledge about inter-African exchange teacher.
So this is the last topic of my report, the Canadian Educators Exchange.
So, can you read this?
So, Canadian Educators Exchange. The Canadian Educator Exchange Foundation is a non-profit foundation which handles both student and educator exchange, international educational exchange offer educator and their student as an opportunity to broaden their understanding of one another cultures. Costume and language exchange are rewarding, but there are some factors needed our consideration. In Alberta, two kinds of exchange are possible for formal professionals development experience. These are 1-year exchange. This exchange enable teachers in Alberta to swap their job and homes with teachers in countries such as Australia and New Zealand.
So, ang Canadian Educator Exchange, this is to visit Norway could be incredibly beneficial for professional development, cultural exchange, and international collaboration in education. So, educators can gain new perspective. So, para maka-gain sila mga lain-lain teacher perspective. And another teaching methods, lain-lain pamahagi sa pagtudlo, and insights by experiencing Norway's education system firsthand. They can observe innovative practices, exchange ideas with Norwegian counterparts, and bring back valuable knowledge to their own classrooms.
So those are my knowledge about the Canadian Educators Exchange, and thank you. So that's